Now in this session I will explain the first three sums of question number 2 of exercise 13.2 exponent and power. Now in question number 2 you have to do simplification and also you have to express the answer in the exponential form. You do not have to break it, okay, and give the answer in the whole form, whole number form, but you have to give your answer in exponential form. Okay, so that is in this form, a to the power n form you have to give. Fine. Now, what is the first question? The first question is written 2 into 3 into 4. Now, they have some exponential values also there. 3, 4, that means 3, 4, then again 3, then 32. Now, you have to solve this and you have to give it in the exponential form. Now, these are already in the exponential form. So, these numbers are not in exponential form. Fine. So we have to convert this all number to the exponential form. So in place of 4, what we can write? In place of 4, if we do the prime factorization, you see, 4 can be written as what? 2 into 2, that means 2 square. Fine. So what is the exponential form of 4? That is 2 square. So in place of 4, we will write the exponential form. That is 2 cube, 3, 4 and 2 square. Fine. So we are converting all the numbers to our exponential form. Now 3 is already in the exponential form as because 3 is carrying 1 as exponent. Okay. Now what about 32? If you do the prime factorization of 32, you will get 2 16s, 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 2s and 2 1s. So how many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 to the power 5. So the exponential form of 32 is 2 to the power 5. Now what is the next thing that you have to do? You have to bring all the exponential form carrying base as 2 together. Okay, you have to bring all the exponential form where you see the base is 2. You have to keep all those things together. So this is the exponential form where base is 2. This is the exponential form where base is 2, and this is the exponential form where base is 2. So we'll keep all together. So that means 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 5. Okay, we just made a group. Now same way we will make a group of those exponential form where the base is 3. Okay, that means these two are carrying base as 3. So we'll keep it separately. We'll make a separate group for this. Okay, now individually we'll solve this. So you see in the numerator, as because the base are same and they're carrying the multiplication sign, so in case of multiplication, what we do with the powers? We add, isn't it? So 3 plus 2 is what? 5. So you can write in this way, 2 to the power 5 by 2 to the power 5 into. Now these are in the division form. So 3 to the power 4 divided by 3 to the power 1. So both are carrying the same base and there is a division sign in between them. So what we do with the powers? We subtract. That is 3, 4 minus 1. Fine. Now what is the required answer then, students? In this fraction, you see the numerator and the denominator are same. So we will cancel this. And what will the answer of this? 3 to the power 3. Isn't it? 4 minus 1 is what? 3. So this is the final exponential form of sum number 1. I hope everyone has understood. Now let's move on to sum number 2. Now sum number 2 is also very interesting. Now this we have to solve by power law, isn't it? So we have to multiply the powers as we have learned. So what you have to do? 2 into 3. We'll put it inside the bracket. We'll keep this 5 to the power 4 as intact and even this part also. Now solve this. 5 to the power 6. 5 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 4. We'll keep inside the bracket divided by 5 to the power 7. Now these two exponential form are carrying the same base and we have into sign in between, so we have to add the powers. That means 6 plus 4 divided by 5 to the power 7. Okay. Now 6 plus 4 is 10. So 5 to the power 10 divided by 5 to the power 7. So now again these two exponential form are again carrying the same base, but this time there is a division sign. So we have to subtract the powers. 10 minus 7. So the answer is 5 to the power So this is the required exponential form of sum number 2. Now let's move on to sum number 3. Now sum number 3 is also very interesting. You see 5 to the power 3 and 25 to the power 4. Now this 25 can be written in the exponential form. So what is the exponential form of 25? 5 5s are 5 1s are, so 25 can be written as 5 square. So in place of 25 we will write 5 square. Now be very careful. Now this 25 is already carrying 4, so we will hide this 4 to avoid some confusion. Now just take it as that only 25 is written here. So what in the place of 25 we will write? 5 square. Okay, now 25 is also carrying 4. Now we'll give the bracket and we'll write 4. I'm repeating again. So what is the exponential form of 25? 25 can be written as 5 square. Now we'll hide this power. The 25 is already carrying the exponential value, that is 4. We'll hide this. Now we'll believe that only 25 is written here. So in place of 25 what we'll write? 5 square. Now as 25 is carrying 4 also, so now we'll give the bracket and we'll write 4 like this. Okay, so divided by 5. Now this will obey the power law, that means we will multiply the powers, that is 5, 2 into 4 divided by 5 cube. So 2 into 4 is what? 8 divided by 5 cube. Now division sign is there in between the two exponential value where the base is same, so we have to subtract the powers. So that would be 5 to the power 5. Okay, so that's it for today's session, boys. Thank you so much. God bless you and take care.